to show you my truck camper setup. This is a 2021 Chevy Silverado 3500 HD 4x4 dually with 8-foot bed. Dometic 6.7 liter diesel engine with 10-speed Allison transmission. Northern Light 811 Limited is equipped with two 20-pound DOT certified propane tank, two outdoor speakers, one 10 outlet, this is the back side of the refrigerator, outdoor LED lights, that's a furnace exhaust, and that's an on-end generator. I believe it's 2.5 kilowatt. Battery compartment. Since I have lithium package, I use it for storage. Access hatch for the generator. Real long plastic storage bin. I think it's 8 foot long. This is a dump station. There's a light. There's a heater duct that blows hot air during the cold winter times, so the pipe don't freeze. Outdoor shower. City water fill, 30 amp plug, 6-gallon hot water heater, cable TV connector, and that's a potable water fill, and torque lift tie downs. This truck came with 36-gallon fuel tank, and I have replaced it with 60-gallon fuel tank from Titan Fuel Tank. I have also installed the side steps from Rhino. By adding airbags to your suspension, greatly improves the ride quality and the comfort level. I have removed the rear seats so that I can install this shelving unit with the electrical system. Renogy battery monitor, power inverter remote switch, and a fuse panel. LED strip light, LED strip light, battery disconnect switch, USB charge point, and a cigarette lighter jack. 100 amp battle-born lithium-ion battery. This unit is Renogy 50 amp DC to DC onboard battery charger with MPPT and 1000 watt pure sine inverter, fire extinguisher, and a 12-ton jack. I've mounted a Yeti dry storage pouch on the back side of the headrest. I store folding knives, folding Allen keys, Swiss knives, and etc. Here's an overview of the shelving unit with the electrical system. If you've seen my previous video about ICS dash mount install video where I had to take everything apart, all the panels, a bunch of screws, as you can see, everything's put together nice and neat. I have a couple of RAM mounts mounted right on the armrest. I have a mini iPad. I use it for Gaia navigation, and I use Apple CarPlay to connect my iPhone, and I use it for navigation. And let's step inside the camper. On the left side we have a wet bath. LED light, exhaust fan, small but functional bathroom. On the right side we have a Victron battery monitor display and also a Victron controller. With this unit you are able to control every aspect of the electrical system and monitor. On and generator remote start switch and other various switches. This used to be a hanging closet and I turned it into a pantry. I built a frame and a shelving unit. I'll tell you what, this shelving unit will withstand the vibrations, shakes and rattles of the road conditions. I am totally satisfied. Next, the Dometic fridge freezer. It works. As far as build quality, I don't like it, but it came with a camper, so I'm stuck with it. Eventually, I'll be replacing it with the isotherm fridge, and I'll make a video of that. Right now, it's pretty much empty. Three-burner stove, now this stove is a combination of an oven and a stove, and it's rare that I've seen a oven with a glass door. You know, most of them is just a metal door, so you can't see what's cooking or baking. Storage drawer underneath, decent size. A decent size sink. It's about 18 inch by 16 inch by 7 inch deep. Sponge tray or drawer. More storage. It's a decent size. It's pretty deep. I have installed a extra step between the carpeted floor and the top of the bed. It was too high, so I installed it, and I had a small toolbox that fits perfectly in between the step. It worked out perfect. And then underneath there's a utensil drawer, and I built this partition where I could put all the chopsticks and spoons, forks, and scissors and spatulas and all the stuff I need, and now it all fits organized. I've also built this step for comfort because of the height of the carpeted floor to the top of the bench was a little bit too high for my wife, and I built it, and now it's much more comfortable to sit in. I've also built and installed this bookshelf, but you could put whatever you want. A clip-on fan, now nice thing about this clip-on fan is whenever they break, you could also buy a similar clip-on fan and replace it. You don't have to mess around with the screws trying to install it. Now this shelf is mainly for GoPros and writing utensils and small stuff for my convenience. That's all. You could probably put vitamins, prescriptions, and whatnot. I have a clock, and underneath I have a fantastic fan remote control, and there's different gauges and water pump switches and furnace thermostats, normal stuff. A spice rack is something that I've built and installed it. This is it's a small camper, so every empty wall is a wasted space. So if there's something you could install it, you do it. This is a magnetic knife holder. There's a hanging closet on the driver's side, and storage on the either side, the left and right. This is a original Apple TV that I was going to throw it away, then I kept it, and I'm glad I kept it because it works. Next, I'd like to show you some of the equipment that I'll be taking along the trip. And this one is a Renogy solar panel, 100 watt. This will charge the truck electrical system, and this is not for my truck camper. I have a separate electrical system to power my second ARB fridge located behind the passenger seat. The truck's charging system will charge the electrical system when I'm driving. but when I'm at the campsite, I need solar panels to charge the system. Changing the flat tire is much easier if you have an impact wrench. Of course, you can always use the factory supplied lug wrench. It seems like the tire blowouts happens at the most adverse weather conditions. An ARB air compressor to inflate the tires and supply air to air tools. I have put together a first aid kit. I wouldn't go anywhere without it. Next, this is a standard and metric tool set, and it gives me a peace of mind. And some more tools are cordless drill, duct tapes, screwdrivers, wrenches, test lights, and a bunch of other stuff. And I have 2 foldable lawn chairs for comfort. A 5-gallon water jug. I have a total of 2 5-gallon jugs. On ARB tire repair kit, you should have it. If you have a flat, you can repair it and you'll be on your way. Next, on ARB recovery kit, it comes with a couple of toe straps, a couple of shackles, and a snatch block. My final equipment is a recovery board from ARB. And that concludes my video. Making a short video is very challenging for me, but I'll try on my next video. Thank you for watching till the end.